Good morning, guys. Welcome to Disney Day 2. We are heading this morning to Animal Kingdom. We have some lightning lanes stacked up, and then we have lunch at Via Napoli at Epcot. Come back for a siesta, and then hit the evening and fireworks at Magic Kingdom. It's also a very exciting day because it's Bridget's 30th birthday today, so we'll be getting a lot of happy birthdays. Just really excited. It's going to be a great day. We definitely took it easy yesterday. We got back to the hotel room. Well, we stayed out the whole day. You'll see that in our previous vlog, but we're kind of feeling good this morning because we didn't like push ourselves or overdo it. And the nice thing about all the rides in Epcot is most of them are indoors or have an indoor queue, so you're really not outside for a long time, which I think really benefited us for not overheating and not getting too bad. But we did say today, like after lunch, we need to come back and take like a break because we want to make it to fireworks tonight. This is the fit today. I just got this shirt yesterday from the Creation shop at Epcot. This are just biker shorts from Amazon, and that's really what we're working with. We're not really going crazy. The hair is down, but it will most likely be up in minutes. Starting off the day at Animal Kingdom for Bridget's 30th birthday. There's the birthday girl. Just got off the bus and we're heading to our first lightning lane. We are walking into Animal Kingdom. Can't wait to start a good, great day. This is the lightning lane line for Navi.
I hate these things.
You hate them? Why? I think they're like supposed to be like they're lights.
Remind me of the Avatar worm. The worm.
Yes, from Avatar, yeah. Y'all, it's just a great day to have a great day. It's Bridget's birthday. We're in the lightning lane. We're about to walk right on. Let's go. Bridget's riding Everest.
I'm gonna bring Marie with me, and I'm gonna try to video it on my phone too, so you can see how it is on the ride.
Got the Virgin Pina Colada on Bridget's birthday. We are back at a clean room after a horrible bus experience before we head to Magic Kingdom for the afternoon. Hey guys, we're headed back to Magic Kingdom for the evening. Come spend it with us. I'm driving us because we had a horrible bus experience on the way here, and your girl just can't deal with it right now, so that's what we're gonna do.
Turn right.
If you're wondering how far away we are from Magic Kingdom at Coronado, we're 8 minutes, 3.3 miles. Our first ride of the night is Peter Pan, so we just parked in the Magic Kingdom parking lot and we're gonna head into the Magic Kingdom now. There's the castle. It's bigger. The park is literally dead right now. This is just after 5:30 p.m. on a Sunday.
Really thank God for the heat, but also curse the heat. Thank God because it's good wait lines. Or like wait time. Small world and not so. Because their hair is
Just got off of Small World. It was great. Headed to our lightning lane for Jungle Cruise. Jungle Bridget on her birthday.
knocked on the door.
No.
She knocked back to you?
No, have you done it?
I tried last time and they're like, oh, she might be on a bright night.
She probably just didn't work.
Memento Mori, you knock on the door and the spirit or the lady is supposed to knock back at you.
Huh. We were just saying we don't know what it is, if it's the heat or anything, but it is literally dead here today. I mean, right now it looks a little congested, but like everything is a walk-on right now. This guy right there, he's gonna spit literally right when I'm going. It's kind of congested through here right now, but it's not bad.
A crummy joke, isn't it? Yeah, but I gotta milk it for all it's worth. Now we're about to go right through the beautiful Switzer Falls. This is named right after our founder, Dr. Albert Falls. Now don't worry if you little when we go by. That is just 300 different types of jungle bacteria. Just a little souvenir that bring home, man. So, you know, before I got this job, I actually worked at an orange juice factory, but I got canned. Yeah, couldn't concentrate. They really squeezed me for all I'm worth, but I landed here, pretty plain to see. I took a crash course, and I've been winging it ever since. And you know the hardest part of that journey truly was the ground. Okay, now we're out of pillars. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the whole reason you got on this boat, right? It is the amazing. It is the stupendous, the colossal, the monumental. Get those cameras ready. We're going under the 8th wonder of the world. You know what it is gonna be. The side of water. Now, you think that's cool? You're not even ready for what's next, all right? Can you?
We are heading on Pirates of the Caribbean in the lightning lane.
Here's Mark.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Jack Sparrow. He'll never find the treasure.
If you're wondering if you could get soaked on pirates, the answer is yes.
You can, because we got splashed and screamed so loud and scared the little girl in front of us.
We scared the little girl in front of us. Quick pit stop in Columbia Harbor House for barbecue sauce and kids' chicken fingers. Heading on to Winnie the Pooh! Into the 100-acre woods.
The east wind traded places with mystery. He'll never reach that tree.
Hang on tightly, Roo. Look, Mama, look.
Yes, I was saying, my aunt Clara went to visit her cousin. Now the cousin was not only gifted on the glockenspiel, stage out. Out there. Come.
Hooray for Pooh, too.
Stop the party,
Scar, Zerg, Hook, and Scar only. If you're starts with a 3 or a 4, you're in the right. All strollers, wheelchairs must be empty, folded, placed in that row with you. Lap sitting is not permitted unless it's a small child that cannot support themselves. And as a courtesy to others, there's no smoking of any kind while on board our term today. No need to run, friends, we are not leaving yet.
Well, y'all, we're back in the room. It's 9:30 p.m. We're ready to hit the hay. Thanks for following along. We'll see you in the next one.